Suar Kapatisi TV.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
Kakenhun yelaka jong Meghalaya State Para Olympics Association ki pamik khmat ya kejala Meghalaya kala pintikna ya kejingya linti ke basngau tenat ha kelempung yelaka football North East Zonal Blind Football Championship ka balong ha Odisha dak ba piliam no ya kakenhun yelaka na kejala Assam da shiphogo la not kani kelempung yelaka 7 men and 4 women IBFF North East Zone Blind Football Championship bala pelong dari Indian Blind Football Federation ka pinyeso bat ke Indian Blind Sports Association kelas lang ha shi tarik unaitung barkan kot ha kalai tarik unaitung araja apun rio dari jinga tarik lang bat ka Bull Eyes Odisha kum gonong penyai ya kani jinga lakai ha jinga kun ha kani Sdang Klingson marak Marwei ulayo ban Thep pragul kat ba ujon borlang pinggrup ulayo Thep argul.
Stop throw, stop.
Ai ơi Phương. Cầm chặt đi Phương. Nhưng thật. Nên lấy cái miệng này.
Shoot.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEM's bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks. We help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEM's app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEM's, our ride, our future.